tayo sa Tondo, Manila. We're doing a basketball charity camp. This is partnered with Bless the Children Foundation. So this is one way for us to give back to the community using basketball. So today we have 20 players, 20 youth players that we will be teaching. So tara guys.
Okay, so sa warm-up, basically tinuruan natin yung kids na kung paano gumalaw in terms of ano yung mga basic movements na kailangan i-cover, ano yung mga details na kailangan nilang malaman pagka nag-execute ng certain movement. For example, kung paano tumakbo, paano mag-lateral, paano mag-change ng direction. So basically lahat ng kailangan nilang gawin mamaya sa mga drills, yun yung mga ginawa namin para at least yung katawan nila handa sa mga magiging drills. So
titira si Kuya RK nyo ng 5 tira sa 3 points. Kapag makalima siya, gagawa kayo ng 10 burpee. Pag makaisa lang siya, 2 burpee lang. Okay? Pagtapos nun, water break tayo. Ready? Let's go, let's go! 1, 2! 1, 2! Kapag na-turn nyo mag-layup, sure ball nito. Hindi matatapos itong drill na to kapag na-shoot niya lang o na-shoot niya lang. Kailangan makasampul tayo. Got it? So whether kayo yung papasa o kayo yung mag-layup, do your best. Come on, let's go! Pagdating sa 3 points, pasa mo na! Pasa!
I'm Chef JV of Starship Fun Fun, and we're making sliders for the athletes.
Lupit ko. Kasi baka din nila mo sa Tondo ko, panalo na yan.
Please follow and like our page. We have TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
So ngayon, wino-work natin yung mga shooting nila, dribbling nila, basically their basketball skills. And yun yung isa sa mga kailangan natin i-focus kapag youth development is yung mga basic fundamentals nila. Para kapag kalaki nila, second nature na sa kanila yung mga footwork, yung mga moves nila.
As the competition, but if you go against me, you the opposition. But if you wanna test it like you can close the distance, I'ma give it A forever since you're so persistent. With you, I'm just practicing, cause I'm back to back, let's get back to winning. As a matter of fact, I'm not that forgiving, cause you did this to yourself, that's a bad decision. I don't see no one in front of me, you is a ghost, you ain't got a soul. Whoa, always say that they gon' come for me, knowing they won't, they doing the most. Whoa, she's in my, gotta get already, not selling my, you wanna, y'all moving, ready to, whoa. I'm the main
few key pointers lang. Lalo na sa scrimmage nyo, halos lahat kayo. Kumbaga, hindi na kayo tumitira sa labas, hindi na kayo tumitira ng mid-range. Lahat puro kayo atake sa basket. Minsan, kahit may bantay na doon, ina-atake nyo pa rin. So, pahirap na ng pahirap yung tira nyo. Minsan, pwede na kayong huminto, itira nyo na lang. So, that's one. Number 2, puro tayo one-on-one. So, lalo na kanina, yung on this side, rinactive natin na gumalaw ng wala yung bola sa inyo. So, that's one thing na pwede nyo i-improve. Lalo na kung gusto nyo maglaro sa next level pa, sa higher level. Special thank you from our sponsors, Luis Buko. Always making our campers hydrated. So that's it for today, guys. Namigay tayo ng shoes, ng jerseys, courtesy of Manila Kingpin. Of course, Luis Buko is also there. So thank you everyone who supported this campaign. And I hope meron pang kasunod yung mga ganito. Thank you guys and see you next time.